Aloha traveler, welcome to Weekend Departures. In this video, we'll give you a quick tour of the Westin Nanea Resort and Villas in West Maui. We spent 5 nights, 6 days in this hotel. It was our second time visiting this property. It is such an amazing resort and it's located in a prime spot in West Maui. Westin Nanea was opened in April 2017 and is part of the Marriott Vacation Club. The resort has up to 3-bedroom villas and it offers a great range of amenities that can be found in a normal resort. We stayed at a 2-bedroom villa. This villa is around 1,200 square footage and has an occupancy of 6 people. The 2-bedroom villa features a king-size bed in the secondary room, which has its own full bathroom. The washer and dryer were also located in this spacious room. It's a very comfortable and large room. The kitchen is fully equipped with all the appliances listed below. It's also fully stocked with essential kitchen items. It has a large dining area for 6 people. The living room is big and features a sofa bed, TV, and even a closet. The villa has its own balcony with table and chairs. Sadly, our balcony had parking lot view, but it's still such a great amenity to have. The master bedroom is elegant. It has a king-size bed, a heavenly bathtub which is an amazing size, a complete large shower with a rain shower head which I love, and it has a double vanity. Needless to say, this was such a treat. The hotel has several koi ponds through the hotel. There's also 2 plunge pools in the back patio. Beware that the water in the plunge pools is cold. The main pool is located in front of Maui Makai restaurant and it's semi-large in size. There are 2 jacuzzis alongside of the pool. Behind the main pool and restaurant, there's a long sidewalk with multiple shops with souvenirs, shave ice, clothing shops, a family activities concierge, and a kids club. There are multiple grilling stations in the resort. They work as a first come, first serve. We have loved the 2 times that we've stayed in this resort. Everyone is super friendly, the hotel is clean, and is located in a prime spot location in Maui. We give it a 4-star and we love it.